How to make public profile on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a public profile on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually make a public profile on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch a Snapchat application. By default everyone has a private account, but if you want to make a public profile so that you can upload in Spotlight and so on, tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here. And once you come to your Bitmoji page, if you scroll right under public profiles, you'll find the option called create public profile. So now all you have to do is tap on create public profile and you'll be able to see all the details of a public profile, where you just have to tap the continue option here, tap on get started, tap on the create option, and your public profile will get successfully created if you like here. And this way you can actually make public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.